Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build an emergency response coordination interface using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional component like the one you see on the screen now. Let's start by creating a basic container for our interface, using a div with a gray background and some padding. Add margin to the container to ensure it doesn't stick to the edges of the page. Next, let's round the corners and add a shadow to give it a card-like appearance. Add a title to our interface. We'll center it and use bold, red text to make it stand out. Let's create a grid layout for our content with some gap between the items. Make the grid responsive by setting it to 3 columns on medium-sized screens and larger. Add a grid item with a placeholder image and a label for a responder. We'll use Tailwind's border and padding classes. Duplicate the grid item for a second responder, maintaining the same styles. Add a third grid item for another responder to complete our initial layout. Let's add a fourth grid item to show how easily we can expand our interface. Finally, add a fifth responder to demonstrate the flexibility of our grid layout. In this video, we walked through building an emergency response coordination interface using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use classes like Flex, Grid, and more to create a responsive and visually appealing component. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching Tailwind.